Hello and welcome to a new video of Sun Nomads. Here are 10 quick facts about Buenos Aires, Argentina. Enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and let's get started. With over more than 700 bookstores located in Buenos Aires, it has the most bookstores per capita than any other city in the world. With 12 lanes, the Avenida de Julio is the broadest street in the world. Almost 60% of the households are accompanied by a dog or a cat, and these are only the registered pets. The Jardín Japonés de Buenos Aires is the largest Japanese garden outside Japan. Buenos Aires is the city with the most football stadiums. The most famous is La Bombonera, home to Boca Juniors. Built in 1913, the Buenos Aires Underground is the oldest subway system in Latin America. Buenos Aires had more psychologists per capita than any other city in the world, and many of them practice Freudian psychoanalysis. Residents of Buenos Aires speak a Spanish dialect with Italian roots, so Buenos Aires Spanish sounds more like Neapolitan Italian than any other language. The Tierra Santa theme park is a unique Disneyland of religion and contains a variety of replicas of well-known religious monuments from the Wailing Wall to Mount Golgotha. Often called the Paris of South America, the capital's culture is very European. Thanks for watching, check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you!